Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we will learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 1 to 5, exercise 5F of class 6, chapter 5. Chapter name is Fractions of New Learning Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we will learn today? Today we will learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 1 to 5 of exercise 5F. Chapter name is fractions and topic is comparison of fractions. Let's solve some questions. Now we will solve question number 1. Question number 1 is state whether the fraction is less than, equal to or more than 1. First bit is 5 divided by 5. 5 divided by 5 equal to 1. So this fraction is equal to 1. So 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. Second bit is 6 divided by 7. 6 divided by 7 is a proper fraction as numerator is less than, numerator 6 is less than the denominator 7. So this fraction, proper fraction, is less than 1. Is proper fraction is always less than 1. Third bit C. 9 divided by 4. 9 divided by 4 is an improper fraction as numerator is 9. 9 is more than the denominator 4. 9 divided by 4, 9 divided by 4 equal to, when we convert this improper fraction then when you convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction, just divide the dividend with the divisor. 9 divided by 4 is, we get 2 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. H 9 equal to 2 multiplied with 4 plus 1. 2 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. So mixed fraction, we know mixed fraction is quotient remainder divided by divisor. Quotient is 2, remainder is 1, divided by divisor is 4, equal to 2 plus 1 divided by 4. 2 plus 1 divided by 4 is a mixed fraction and here 2 is more than 1. So it is more, this fraction 9 divided by 4 is more than 1. Now solve question number 2. Question number 2 is insert less than, greater than or equal to make each statement true. D. 19 divided by 51, 20 divided by 51. Here numerator 19 is less than the denominator 20. So 19 divided by 51 is less than 20 divided by 51. 19 divided by 51 is less than 20 divided by 51 as numerator 19 is less than the numerator 20. E. 2 divided by 15 dash 4 divided by 15. Here numerator 2 is less than the numerator 4. So 2 divided by 15 is less than 4 divided by 15. F. 21 divided by 59 dash 18 divided by 59. Here numerator 21 is greater than the numerator 18 of second fraction, 18 divided by 59. So 21 divided by 59 is greater than 18 divided by 59. Now we solve question number GB. 67 divided by 100 dash 73 divided by 100. Here numerator 67 of the fraction 67 divided by 100 is less than the numerator 73 of the fraction 73 divided by 100. Numerator 67 is less than 73. So the fraction 67 divided by 100 is less than 73 divided by 100. H 80 divided by 103 dash 180 divided by 103. Here numerator 80 of the fraction 80 divided by 103 is less than the numerator 180 divided by 103 of the fraction 180 divided by 103. So the fraction 80 divided by 103 is less than the fraction 180 divided by 103. I 2 divided by 5 dash 4 divided by 9. Here both are unlike fraction as both have different denominators. So first we have to crisscross multiplication. Here numerator 2 of the fraction 2 divided by 5, numerator 2 of the fraction 2 divided by 5, multiply the denominator of 4 divided by 9, that is 9. Numerator 2 multiplied with denominator 9 of the fraction 4 divided by 9, we get 2 multiplied with 9 is 18, and multiply the numerator of the fraction 4 divided by 9, that is 4, with denominator of the fraction 2 divided by 5, that is 5. So multiply numerator 4 with the denominator 5, that is 4 multiplied with 5 is 20. 18 is less than 20. So 2 divided by 5 is less than 4 divided by 9. Now we solve question number J bit. J 4 divided by 5 dash 7 divided by 10. Using the crisscross multiplication, both are unlike fraction. So we have to, using the crisscross multiplication, multiply the numerator of 4 divided by 5 with the denominator of 7 divided by 10. So multiply 4, numerator 4 with denominator 10. 4 multiplied with 10 is 40, and multiply the numerator 7 of the fraction 7 divided by 10 with the denominator of 4 divided by 5. Multiply numerator 7 with denominator 5. 7 multiplied with 5 is 35, and 40 is greater than 35. So 4 divided by 5 is greater than 7 divided by 10. K 5 divided by 8 dash 9 divided by 16. Here both are unlike fraction. Using the crisscross multiplication, numerator of 5 divided by 8 multiply with denominator of 9 divided by 16, that is numerator 5 multiply with denominator 16. 5 multiplied with 16 is 80, and multiply the numerator of the fraction 9 divided by 16 with the denominator of the fraction 5 divided by 8, that is multiply numerator 9 with the denominator 8. 9 multiplied with 8 is 72. So 80 greater than 72. So 5 divided by 8 is greater than 9 divided by 16. L 4 divided by 7 dash 10 divided by 17. Here both are unlike fraction. Using the crisscross multiplication, multiply the numerator of 4 divided by 7 with the denominator of 10 divided by 17. 4 multiply 4 with 17, we get 68. And multiply numerator of 10 divided by 17 with denominator of 4 divided by 7. Multiply numerator 10 with denominator 7. 10 multiplied with 7 is 70. So 68 is less than 70. So 4 divided by 7 is less than 10 divided by 17. Now we solve m bit. M 3 divided by 8 dash 5 divided by 12. Here both are unlike fractions having different denominators. So using the crisscross multiplication, we have multiplied the numerator of 3 divided by 8 with the denominator of 5 divided by 12. 3 multiplied with 12, we get 36. And multiply the numerator of 5 divided by 12 with the denominator of 3 divided by 8. Multiply numerator 5 with denominator 8. 5 multiplied with 8 is 40. So 36 is less than 40. So 3 divided by 8 is less than 5 divided by 12. And 4 divided by 7 dash 12 divided by 21. Here 4 divided by 7, we have to convert this fraction 4 divided by 7 into equivalent fraction, equating the denominator equal to the denominator of 12 divided by 21, that is 21. Multiplying numerator and denominator of the fraction with the same number of the fraction 4 divided by 7. Here LCM of 7 and 21 is 21. So we have to multiply the denominator of 4 divided by 7 with 3, we get 21. 7 multiplied with 3, we get 21, and numerator 4 multiplied with the same number 3. We get 4 multiplied with 3 is 12. 12 divided by 21. 12 divided by 21 is equal to 12 divided by 21. So 4 divided by 7 and 12 divided by 21 are equivalent fraction. So 4 divided by 7 equal to 12 divided by 21. We can do this using the crisscross multiplication also. Multiply the numerator 4 with the denominator 21. 4 multiplied with 21 is 84. And multiply the numerator 12 with the denominator 7. 12 multiplied with 7 is 84. 84 equal to 84. So 4 divided by 7 is equal to 12 divided by 21. Both have same value. Now we have to solve question number 2 O bit. O. 10 divided by 26 dash 1 divided by 4. Using the crisscross multiplication, as both are unequal fraction, both have different denominators. Using the crisscross multiplication, multiply the numerator of 10 divided by 26 with the denominator of 1 divided by 4. 10 multiplied with 4, that is 40. Multiply the numerator of 1 divided by 4 with the denominator of 10 divided by 26. That is 1 multiplied with 26. That is 26. 40 greater than 26. So 10 divided by 26 is greater than 1 divided by 4. Now P bit. 2 divided by 7 dash 24 divided by 21. To convert this unlike fraction into equivalent fraction, equating to equal denominators, multiplying by the same number with the numerator and denominators. So here LCM of 7 and 21 is 21. So multiply the numerator and denominator, multiply the denominator 7 of 2 divided by 7 with the number 3 we get 21, which is equal to the LCM of the fraction, LCM of the denominator 7 and 21. So multiply the same number 3 with the both numerator and denominator of 2 divided by 7. So multiply numerator 2 with 3, we get 6, and multiply the denominator 7 with 3, we get 21. So 6 divided by 21 and 24 divided by 21. 6 divided by 21 is equal 6 divided by 21 and 24 divided by 21 are equivalent fraction as both have equal denominators. So 2 divided by 7, which is equivalent fraction of 6 divided by 21. So 2 divided by 7 and 24 divided by 21 are equivalent fraction, and 6 divided by 21 is less than 24 divided by 21, as numerator 6 is less than the numerator 24. So 2 divided by 7 is less than 24 divided by 21. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.